Hello everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. If you haven't been to the channel before, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification. I am going to be doing a lot of updates on Nokia as well as the broader markets over the next couple weeks, next couple months. Very interesting things happening in the markets. You do not want to miss any of the update videos. The only way to ensure that happens is by subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for being here on this video. We are going to now dive into the chart of Nokia, which looks to me to be very exciting. So we've got on the daily timeline, daily time frame here in Nokia on my trading view, and you can see I've got a very clear downsloping line of resistance which was in place ever since almost 7 years now, guys. 7 years of downtrend in Nokia, but finally this line of resistance now looks to have turned into a line of support, and we have broken through finally here on July 13th, so just a couple of days ago. Some confirming candles above this line of resistance, now turn line of support. So everything here to me, guys, on Nokia looking to be very, very positive. The only real negative, in my opinion, is this thing moves very, very slowly. You can see the highs here back in 2014 were at around 869. But be that as it is, guys, we've got a very, very positive development, in my opinion, here on Nokia after a breakout of a very, very long line of resistance, 7-8 years. So there's no telling where this could lead. Everything here looks really great. We've also got this beautiful structure in place on the daily time frame. You can see it here. We've got price points of May 3rd. May 13th, and also on June 23rd. So this structure in place looks beautiful. That would be the only zone I would be interested in exiting Nokia on, is if we were to break this upward sloping line of support and start putting in candles below it, and that would in fact turn this into a resistance. But we are a long ways away from that happening. What's most likely to happen to me is some more consolidation in this zone, and sometime perhaps before the end of the month, maybe early August, we break this resistance right here that is in place the last couple days at around $6 and start breaking to the upside in earnest. Everything looking good to me on Nokia here, guys. Yeah, the support again, support zone here at 563-ish. But looks to be a sideways consolidation in effect. The only way I would ever exit Nokia would be a break of this upward sloping trend line here, which is our structure, our breakout from July 13th. So very positive developments in Nokia here, guys. Everything looks good. Go to the momentum chart. You can see here on the daily momentum, we have broken out to the highest levels in place for a long time here, ever since 2015. So kind of blue skies territory here on this momentum. You can see here July 15th and July 16th, we have broken out of this point of this high point of momentum here on the 14th of June. So back here in July, ever increasing momentum, very, very positive developments. This looks good to me here, guys. So let's go into the 4-hour here. You can see we are operating in a very, very positive momentum zone here for Nokia. The nice thing about operating on these levels, yes, of course, just like price, momentum can decrease as well, but the thing that makes operating in these zones completely different from momentum operating in these bearish zones, like we've seen a lot of stocks recently down below zero, is that fluctuating between channels in a positive momentum alignment, it leads to increasing prices, and I'm going to show you that as I pull out here and show the the price action. So you can see here everything. Let's bring this channel out just slightly. So you can see here we've been in that zone since around early May, and prices have just been increasing. So if we are able to stay above this line of support around 0.55 in Nokia, and even just churning back and forth here, is going to lead prices in Nokia to the upside. So some very, very exciting developments here in Nokia, guys. Looks like potentially we are at the top of a channel here, so maybe watch for that. See what happens here. A little bit of bearishness in the overall markets, but no real worries here right now in Nokia, unless, of course, we were to break back below this support line of our breakout structure here. But all of this looking very, very positive. It's going to take a lot, in my opinion, for this 4-hour momentum to break down to the downside. I don't see that happening. It looks like we may be in a very positive churning momentum scenario until the end of the year. So let's keep a close eye on that. Make sure we operate in these zones of momentum. Everything looking good on Nokia, guys. But just to make sure, you don't want to miss any of my updates on Nokia, which I'm going to be doing on a regular basis. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you are not. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Happy you are here. Happy to make the video. I will see you in the next update very shortly. Thanks for joining me, and goodbye for now.